doing a review for you about these beautiful trays that I got from Walmart, and I paid $9.99 for 3 for the set, and they are great. They are beautiful wood color, and I love them so much, and I want to show you what you can do with them if you get them. And I just got this today, and I want to show you how you can do that. You can do many things with them. They are amazing. You could even put, maybe glue a picture of your family there, or you know, put it on the wall like this, and fix it on the wall like this, and put some plants on it. I guess it would hold because it's wood. It's a kind of, you know, firm. And anyway, you can use on a table with beautiful flowers inside. I guess, you know, you could do this like that. It would be really cute. And you can do many things with them, but I want to show you what I did. And I may change and do things like when I feel like, you know, I'm bored and don't want that anymore, I can just use for something else. You can use in the restroom for soaps and towels and all that. But I really like it. And that's what I did. I want to show you. You can stack them up this way, right? And have them high, and then you have your flower arrangement higher, or your flower pot higher like this, and voila, you have a beautiful piece, beautiful color, you know, different thing for your house for $9.99. Not bad at all. So I hope you like it, and I hope this video helps you in some way to find also some beautiful things in your Walmart store.